guys, so we came over here to the property today to give you an update video just like we talked about last time, and there's been a whole lot of stuff done in a short amount of time. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
So remember when we started on the video last time, we were taking a virtual tour and Steven was climbing up the wall at the entrance. Check this out. That big drop off that was over here on the corner of the slab has now been filled in, and the zillion yards of dirt that we were talking about that was in this pile last time has been spread and tapered off. This still isn't the final shape of it, but this gave us an opportunity to see what we had, use up some of the material that we knew we were going to need to use, and start to see this thing kind of coming together the way that it's going to look when it's all done. So besides all the base coming in, look at all that red iron.
She party.
Yeah. Get some stuff done.
I like how it's so like parallel.
Yeah.
Everywhere is just.
It's awesome to look at, man.
Yeah, it's cool.
To finally see it coming up off the ground, it's instead of just imagining it in your head, you get to see it. So this is where we walked in last time, and these purlins will be cut out for the entryway. Steven and I were actually over here laying windows and doors out. You can see some of the marks from you know, where some of the windows are going to be. Center line of one, the edge of another, and
I think
basically the windows that we've got are going to fill between there, from the white line there to the white line over there. And we've got how many? 15? 14?
14. Well, 14 big ones, and then there's a handful of the littler ones that we'll put in.
So this is really cool. Y'all get to see a little bit better idea of what the inside of this place is going to look like. Now, the last time we were over here, I'm not sure if we had this back piece poured or not. I think maybe it had just been poured. Not sure.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Had a lot of stuff going on. So either way, whether you saw it or not, this is the eave, the same eave that's going to be poured off the front side. So there's 7,500 square foot of shop that at the moment is going to be heated and AC'd year round. And then we've got these pads off the side that add quite a bit more square footage, where I think the math's right at about 11,000.
Yeah, this is 2,000 and that one will be 2,000. So,
excuse me.
Bless you.
Sunny out here today. So another 2,000 on this side and another 2,000 on that side. And if we can keep making money and keep rocking and rolling, I don't see why we can't wall it off and
wrap it up.
Get it filled in too. Because why not?
Yeah.
The shop we are in now is about 10,500, 10,250, something like that. And we didn't want to build a smaller shop, but these things are expensive. In case you haven't built a shop before,
Yeah.
especially
this time of year.
Yeah, and in this county where we are, and I guess anywhere in the country right now is insane. So we're doing the best we can with what we got, and if everything keeps going the way that it's going, we'll be able to fill these spaces in on the end and get those AC'd and heated as well, and end up with a bigger shop than the one that we've got now.
Yep.
We are going to have a second story in this shop where Steve and I's office is going to be, and so that's going to give us a little bit more square footage. We do have a build room at the other shop that is bigger than it really needs to be. We've got pallet racks in the way. We've got some other stuff that we're not necessarily using the space as best as it can be used.
Yeah.
So that's kind of part of it. People have been asking, how are you going to go to a smaller shop? Well, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna figure it out.
Junk's what we're gonna do.
Definitely, we're gonna get more efficient in what we're doing, and with the layout of the shop, and as far as knocking work out. We have some really cool stuff coming on this year, an announcement that we're almost ready to make.
Yep.
But not quite yet, and it'll make a whole lot more sense when we do.
Yeah, for sure.
But we've got some big things in the works right now, and we're really looking forward to revealing those to you guys and letting you know what's coming next for Holden Brothers this year and in the future and beyond. So that's the shop. Let's walk over and show you some other stuff that got done in the meantime. Coming across the inside of this, you can see we got all the purlin up. I say it's CKW Construction's been over here. These guys have been busting their ass, doing a great job.
Outstanding work.
Good customer, good friend.
Good
The guys,
builder.
Yeah, great builder. If you're in Kendall County, you're looking for somebody to erect a metal building, you need to call CKW, give those guys a shot. The guys over at MAP, water well drilling, these guys, they hit a home run out here, man. They drilled, I think they made 575 feet?
Yeah, 574 to be exact.
So they did that in about a day and a half, 2 days. They have a badass old international drilling rig. Thing weighs like 85,000 pounds, he was telling us. And they got the well and the casing knocked out. I think they had a total of 3 days, a day and a half of drilling and about a day and a half of setting the casing and pouring concrete. And you can see the evidence of it from this giant slop hole that we've got, which is part of it. This is all the stuff that comes out of the ground when you're drilling and punching a big hole. And you can see not only is there a big mess that's up here, but right here is the wellhead, and that's where they were punching the hole, and that's where this casing was slid down in, and the actual pipe that's going to draw water will go on the inside of that, and we'll build us a little pump house around this thing, and kind of a curb or a little fence or something to make sure nobody backs into it and screws that up. But when they were over here drilling, we made like a little bit of a canal, if you will. Made a little short wall here to control all the mud flow. You can see how much there is. It's several inches thick and a whole lot of it. And Steven came back over here during the week, I'm falling down again.
Dude, you trip over more stuff than anyone I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, dude. It's literally and metaphorically.
And
tripping.
physically.
Tripping. I be tripping. No, but look at this mudslide, y'all, that came down through here. You can't see it now, but we did. Steven, you did a really good job of cleaning that up, dude. There was a big ditch dug all the way over, and I'm gonna walk over and show you this mud hole that's left over here. But the ditch came across the road all the way through here and up into here. So all that mud flow from where we were down and across the road. You can kind of see a little bit of a low spot right here. This is kind of the center line of where it was. And then all the way down here, we still got all this material that's stacked up that is several inches thick. Nasty mud. Yeah, disgusting. So we're waiting for that. You can actually see the line over there, how high it was.
Yeah, it's going down like a foot.
Yeah, about a foot. So we talked to those guys. They said let it set for about a week. And if it doesn't get rained on anymore and there's no more moisture in about a week, we should be able to come and break it up. It's not really even like concrete. It's kind of like, I don't know, mud. So when that dries up, we'll come scoop all this nasty trash out of here and make this look pretty again and get it off our pretty oak trees.
We got deers.
Is there deers?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
The deer walked right there.
Oh dear.
We're gonna eat him.
He might have fell into the pit. So we got that knocked out. Check that off the list. Steven's hunting cabin. Smells good.
Yeah.
It ain't much, but he keeps it real nice though.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's got that blue water in there.
Oh yeah.
I like that blue water.
Yeah. Then on the top.
Every time I go in that thing, I make sure to rinse my face real good. It just smells so good in there.
You know, that explains a lot.
Yeah.
One, the way you look.
Yeah. Second.
And two, the way you smell.
10-4. So this is going to be the water that feeds the inside of the shop for washing hands, getting drinks of water.
5,200 gallons.
Dadgummit. Them are cheap, by the way. And then we got this bad boy right here. And this is one of those expenses that wasn't really anticipated.
No, sir.
We got more money than I care to. I'll tell you this. It's about $1 a gallon, right? To build that.
Thousands of gallons there.
And I'm gonna guess there's about 50,000 gallons right there. 45,000. Yeah. So if you can do the math on that, you'll know what that takes. So this thing is here for basically in the event that there's a fire hazard, any type of fire danger for anyone.
Yeah, we're out in the outside of the city limits, and we don't have like fire hydrants run up and down the road. So if a fire happens, you either turn on the water hose from your small tank like that and hope to God that you can save yourself, or the fire marshal says you need one of these. And you have enough water to put everybody's fire out that happens to have a fire.
Yeah, so it's kind of, it wasn't our most favorite thing to do, but we had to do it. They wouldn't sign off on a whole lot of other stuff, so we had to make it happen. So we did. It actually looks kind of cool, just a unexpected expense, I think.
Yeah, and you can't tell the size maybe so well, but it is 33 feet across, and it's 7 foot to the wall there. So
that's a big boy.
I mean, it's huge.
So we got plenty of water over here. Not allowed to touch it.
Nope, don't touch it.
You damn sure can't use it.
No, matter of fact, you try to swim in it and avoid your warranty.
Yeah, so these things aren't fun.
No.
All right, do not get you one of them. That's all I got to say about that.
Yeah.
Check this thing out though. This is fun. This is cool. This is a worthwhile investment down here. Can't wait to get this thing done and closed in and move into our new home. All right, guys. Well, that's an update on where we are. We got a whole lot of stuff happening here at the property. Everybody is wide open throttle over here, and if the weather stays good like it's going, and we can just keep moving, this is gonna go quick. So y'all stay tuned. Got a lot more stuff coming in the future for this thing, and hopefully next time we make a video, it'll look even more like a building.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for the love.
See y'all next time.
Peace.
Later.